Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from your Ethereum wallet to your Cash App. First, open Cash App. On the home screen, tap the icon showing your balance or the little house icon to access the main menu. Then tap on Bitcoin. Scroll down and select Deposit Bitcoin. If this is your first time, Cash App may ask you to verify your identity. Tap Verify Identity and follow the instructions to provide your personal details. After verification, you'll see your unique Bitcoin deposit address. Tap the copy button to copy it. Next, open your Ethereum wallet. You can use wallets like Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. If it's not Bitcoin, you'll need to convert it. Tap the swap button, choose the crypto to convert in the From section, select Bitcoin in the To section, enter the amount, and confirm the swap. Once converted, open your Bitcoin balance in your wallet. Tap Send and paste the Cash App Bitcoin address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to send, tap Next, and confirm the transaction. Your Bitcoin will now be transferred from your Ethereum wallet to Cash App. That's it. You've successfully transferred your Ethereum to your Cash App account.